Welcome to channel Coins Worth Money. In this video, I will tell you about a rare French coin, 10 centimeters Mariana coin, and it was issued in 1963. Well, the diameter of the coin is 20 millimeter, weight is 0.3 gram, and shape is round. Orientation is coin alignment upside down. Obverse of the coin features head of Mariana, who is facing to left. Script is Latin and the lettering is Republicu Frances Legri Fowl. Engraver of the front side or the obverse side was Henry Legri Fowl. And the reverse of the coin features an olive branch and denomination and date and the floral design. Well, in coin collecting, the condition of the coin is paramount to its value. A high quality example is often worth many times more than a poor example. Collectors have created systems to describe the overall condition of the coins. For example, in North America, the American Numismatic Association helps identify most coins. It uses 1 to 70 numbering scales to determine which coins are in mint, good, or poor condition. So, collecting old coins is like collecting pieces of history. Many people think that collecting old coins are complicated and it's hard to determine the authentication of the old coins, but there is also beauty of collecting old coins. Beside of authentic, think about holding historical currency in your hands and wonder how powerful this could have been back in the days. I sometimes dream myself why did these types of coins were minted, and it's very fascinating and wonderful to understand some coins are just there to unthinkable reason or some are there to smoothly shape one of the empire histories. Well, this is a beautiful coin and this is the reverse side or the back side of the coin, and there is 10 centimeters written in the center and the date 1963 is below, and on both sides of the date there are small design. I think these are birds. Now this is an alloy error coin which is very rare and valuable. You can appreciate it. So if you find such a coin in your collection, then you are lucky one. Okay, thank you and subscribe to the channel.